Hi friends, so today we're going to see how to make graphs very easily. Okay, it is very cool, so you can do it very easily. Okay, so coming to the first example I'm going to give you right now. So let's see this. Okay, so yeah, I have given you that y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, y is equal to 2x plus 3. So how to do this type of sums? So when we see this sum, we think that we need to give like value of x is equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0, and then we need to do it a little bit, right? So I got to give you a small thing, right? We know y is equal to mx plus c, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. Here the c is the y intercept, right? And m is the slope over here. Okay, so you know y is equal to mx plus c. Now what we want to do is just take the intercept over here. Okay, that is the y. Okay, so just 3, right? So just mark this 3. Okay, now I had marked the 3. Okay, now what we're going to do is, here the slope is there, right? So what we're going to do is, we know slope SLOP, right? Slope is equal to 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 or 1 is 2 is 1, right? Is equal to same, right? So what we're going to do is 2 by 1 is nothing but rise 2 units by move. Anything, if it is 3, rise 3 units and then move 1 unit. Like how many units over here? There are more units. Okay, so rise, I had the y-intercept as 3 and I need to rise 2 units, right? 2 units, it will be 5. Now what can I do? Move 1 unit over here. So I had moved 1 more unit. Okay, so this is the point over here, right? So what I'm going to do is, I got 2 points, right? So very easy. Now just add these 2 points. Sorry, I'm going to change it again. Yeah, so how the 2 points will be like this, right? I'm not getting that good, but you can do it, right? Hope you understood. Okay, yeah. So I got this line, right? So this will be the line. So let's go to the next one. Okay, so let me take another example right now. So the example I want to take is somewhat like this. Now let's take y is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x plus 5. We know the y-intercept is given, so y-intercept is 5. Cool, we had just plotted it. Now what we're going to do is take this slope. We got minus 3 by 4, right? What I said you before is that rise and move, and when it is minus 3, what we're going to do is go 3 units down. That will be minus, that will be 2. Okay, I got 2. Okay, and then here 4. So 4 units towards the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So hope you got it right. So yeah, we need to just figure it. Okay, as I am drawing it, it may be not good, but if we do it through scale, it will be easy. Okay, so hope you understood that, guys. So let's see another example. Okay, so the other example will be something like, I want to change something into linear right now. So let's take this example like 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. So if I got this example, so how can I do it? So just very easy, friends. So what you're going to do is, just take y is equal to 0. When you take y is equal to 0, then x will be 2. This is y will be 0, so x will be 3. X is equal to 3. Okay. So next take x is equal to 0, and y will be minus 2. Okay. So I got two coordinates, right? So let us plot this. Okay, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 will be here. Okay, cool. And then x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. It will be over here. Okay, so what is going to be done is, just let me take this, so it will be help. Okay, this will be the line over here. Okay, so when you gonna see this type of example, just substitute 0. Okay, so going to the next type of thing, let us see Suppose he had given you something like y is equal to x square. So what you gonna do? So we know y is equal to x square is nothing but parabola, right? So it will be something like this and like this. So this is a parabola. Okay, we know y is equal to x means nothing but it will pass through the origin, right? Something even this is the same thing as that of that. Okay, so let me clear this. Okay, so let me say you an quick example. So when y is equal to x square, I said you parabola, and when y is equal to x square minus 6, that means I need to go 6 units down. Okay, this is the 6 units down. So what I'm going to do is just put in parabola. Okay, suppose sometimes, sorry, I got something wrong, but yeah, something like this, go towards here and here. Okay, so this will be the x square minus 6. It will be like this. Okay, so let's see other sum. So guys, this will be like this sum is x is equal to, like y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 8. So how to do these type of sums? Okay, so this type of sums very easy, friends. Just take x is equal to, like y is equal to x square minus, we know how to do this type of sums. Like we need to see the product as 8 and the sum as 6. Okay, so we know 4x minus 2x plus 8, right? 4 is 8 and 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So we can take this like x minus, let's take this 2 and then minus 2. Okay, 2 minus, so yeah, let me take it 4, yeah, 4, x minus 2. Okay, so it will be x minus 4 comma x minus 2. Okay, so I will be getting x is equal to 4 comma x is equal to 2. These will be the two values that I will be getting. So x is equal to 4 is this one, and x is equal to 2, this will be this one. So what I know is that these 2 points, and we also know that for this formula as x is equal to minus b by 2a, that will be minus b is nothing but minus of minus 6, this is b. Okay, ax plus by plus c. Okay, so minus of minus will nothing but become plus by 2 into 1, since a is 1, right? So a will 1, 2 ones are 2 3s are, so x will be 3. This intercept will be over here. Okay, so what we gonna do is nothing but here we gonna take this point such that what happens over here is, so in this type what we're gonna do is just we know this one, right? X minus 4 and x minus 2. So just take x and y. Okay, so let's do some example like 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, if we keep 1 over here, what will happen is that it will be minus 1 minus 3 and 2, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, it will be plus 3. Okay, minus and minus will be plus 3, and then this one if we keep 2 it will become 0, and if we be keeping 3 it will become minus 1, and if we keep 4 it will become 0, like the sum. Okay, like the y is equal to. Okay, so if we keep 5 it will become again 3. So in this type we can see that this is 3 and 3. Okay, 0 and 0 and minus 1. So in this type we need to take it it as an acceleration point. Okay, so here's the deal, we got x and y, so easy. So we also know that through these the 3 RLs in the middle of 2 and 4 it will be 3, right? So we can draw some lines over here. This will be an intercept, okay? Like, yeah, 3, okay? So we know the values that 3 will be minus 1, the y-axis. So it will be point somewhere over here. And then what happens is that 2 and 4, 0, so these 2 points. And then the other points are 3, 3. So first one it will be 3, that will be here, and 5 it will be 3, that will be here. So what we're going to do is just touch these points and make an parabola. You go straight, yeah, make it just a parabola. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this, right? It is simple, easy, right? So going to the next. So friends, so this type of sums he will be giving you in the exam. So how can you do this? This type of things he will be giving, and then he will be saying that some water will be flowing. So in how much time it will be filling, okay? So he will be giving you some graphs. So how can you take it? So just basic understanding is that the surface area is same over here, right? The same surface area over here. So what you are going to do is it will be filled with, sufficiently there, such that it will be filled in a linear manner, right? In this case, it will first fill fast, right? It will fill in a small time, and then it will take more time. Okay, let's see this. Okay, what in this type of thing, what happens is that it will take the same time, and then at the top it will become linear because it will be filled up to the brim, right? So this first one is we got the first one, and taking the second one, at starting it will fill very fast, right? And after some time it will take more time in this part of area, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have linear increase, and then we will be having small decrease, right? So, and coming to the next, in this type it will take more time. In this, suppose if we took the previous one, it takes less time in this area, but right now in this area it take more time, and then it reduces its time, right? So in this type of area, we're gonna do is that it will consume more time, okay? In this area, less time, okay? In this area, in this type of question, it will consume more time, and finally it became less, okay? Basically we should see that when the time is less, okay, time is less, we're gonna have it to the top, and if the time is more, we're gonna keep it to the down. As it got wider, it will be increasing, okay, it will be increasing, but here it's shallow, so it took small time, okay? In this time, in this type of thing, what happens is that here it takes more time, okay? It takes more time, so it comes like this, and after some time it will be taking less time. So what happens is that it changes its course, and then again it takes much time, and then it becomes constant, okay? So we hope you understood. In this type of thing, when the water enters, this is the linear curve, because it go as if it is the same thing, right? So it takes the same time. But in this type, as it is shallower and smaller, it takes the easy, and it will be filled very fast when it is here, and when it's going up, it will take much time. And in this type, in the surface, it will take more time, and after, as it going up, it takes less time. And in this type, it takes more time, less time, and more time, okay? So it will be curves, okay? So hope you understood, guys, and thank you. If you got any doubts, just comment on the session below. Thank you, guys. Thank you.